Have you ever wondered if the next smartphone could completely change the way you use AI every single day? Well, Google's Pixel 11 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most exciting flagship smartphones we've seen in years, and if the latest leaks and expectations turn out to be true, this phone could redefine what a premium Android experience looks like. So stay with me until the end, because I'll reveal one surprising feature that could make many people skip every other flagship this year. The Pixel 11 Pro is expected to feature a stunning 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display with a smooth 1 Hz to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, incredibly bright peak brightness for outdoor visibility, razor-thin bezels, HDR support, and a crisp high-resolution panel that makes watching movies, gaming, and scrolling through social media feel incredibly smooth. Under the hood, the phone is expected to be powered by Google's next-generation Tensor G6 chipset, built with improved efficiency and smarter AI processing. While the Tensor series has always focused on intelligent features rather than benchmark numbers alone, the new chip is expected to deliver faster app launches, smoother multitasking, improved gaming performance, and better battery efficiency than previous generations. Speaking of AI, this is where the Pixel 11 Pro could truly shine. Google is expected to introduce even more advanced Gemini AI features, making everyday tasks easier than ever. Imagine real-time language translation, AI-powered call assistance, smarter photo editing, automatic email writing, intelligent voice commands, personalized recommendations, and on-device AI that works faster while keeping your information private. If Google pushes AI even further this year, the Pixel 11 Pro may become the smartest smartphone on the market. Camera lovers should also have plenty to look forward to. The Pixel lineup has always been famous for computational photography, and the Pixel 11 Pro is expected to include a powerful triple camera system featuring a high-resolution main sensor, an ultra-wide camera, and an advanced periscope telephoto lens capable of delivering incredible zoom quality. With Google's AI image processing, users can expect stunning daylight shots, improved low-light photography, realistic skin tones, sharper portraits, cinematic video recording, enhanced stabilization, AI-powered magic editor upgrades, better object removal, and smarter video enhancement features that make professional quality content easier than ever to capture. Battery life is also expected to receive a noticeable boost thanks to the efficient Tensor G6 processor and software optimization. Rumors suggest a battery around 5,000 mAh with fast wired charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging, allowing users to power accessories on the go. Combined with Android's intelligent battery management, the Pixel 11 Pro could easily last through a full day of heavy use. The design is also expected to continue Google's premium identity with refined materials, a polished aluminum frame, durable glass protection, IP68 water and dust resistance, improved haptics, stereo speakers, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, ultra-fast 5G connectivity, and enhanced security through Google's Titan security technology alongside an upgraded ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and secure face unlock. The phone is also expected to launch with the newest version of Android and receive several years of software and security updates, making it one of the best long-term investments for Android users. As for the launch, Google is widely expected to unveil the Pixel 11 Pro around August or September 2026, following its recent flagship release schedule, with availability shortly afterward in major markets, including the United States. Pricing is expected to remain within the premium flagship range, offering strong value considering the advanced AI features and camera technology. But here's the surprise I promised at the beginning. Some industry insiders believe Google could introduce exclusive AI experiences on the Pixel 11 Pro that simply won't be available on other Android phones, making this device much more than just another yearly upgrade. If that happens, the Pixel 11 Pro could become the phone everyone else tries to copy over the next few years. So, would you upgrade to Google's newest flagship, or are you waiting for another smartphone to impress you? Let me know your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know.